Good evening. I'm Aditi Nashine and you're watching FMCC News. India is the 60th country to approve the use of Russia's Sputnik 5. Russia's Sputnik 5 has proved to be 91.6% effective in phase 3 trials. No lockdown in Maharashtra, yet lockdown-like restrictions from 8 p.m. today, says CM Uddhav Thackeray. No curbs on public transport in Maharashtra. It should be used for essential use only. India records highest single-day tally of 1,80,000 new COVID cases. Death toll crosses 1,000. India has administered 10 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses so far. 5,000 prosecuted, 1,500 held for violating night curfew rules in Delhi. Lockdown to cost Indian economy 1.25 billion a week. Allahabad High Court asks Centre to vaccinate board exam students. 500 plus commuters fined by Delhi Metro for not wearing masks properly. UP CM Yogi Adityanath in isolation again after staff test COVID-19 positive. US recommends to pause on Johnson & Johnson COVID vaccine. Women given oxygen in auto due to no COVID beds available in Satara. UP records biggest single day tally with 18,000 plus cases. Only asymptomatic staff members are permitted in Delhi's JNU office. IIT Delhi has developed a device that gives dengue results in 1 hour. Government allows COVID-19 vaccination at workplace. Union Health Minister approves national policy for rare diseases. Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal has requested Centre to cancel CBSE board exams. All colleges in Gujarat are shut till April 30th due to coronavirus cases. All Delhi schools closed till further notice. Due to farmers' ongoing protests, Delhi's key borders remain shut. Delhi's nearly 13,000 new coronavirus cases, worst for any Indian city. In Delhi, a 28-year-old stabs his father to death for nearly not lending him any money. Shashi Tharoor seeks discharge, 7-year wait for justice on Sunanda Pushkar's case. PM Narendra Modi to hold a meeting with Education Minister today. Government not going for any lockdown, says Nirmala Sitharaman. Former UP CM Akhilesh Yadav tests positive for COVID-19. India-Pakistan crisis likely to intensify, says US intelligence. Your health and your family's health is in your hands. Please take care, don't forget to wear mask and keep sanitizing.